So today is a good day, and I'll tell you why. I just got a gift from NIVEA Ghana, and this is it. It is the Perfect and Matte Range, and it says, "Hello, beautiful." That's you and me, of course. And let's open it up and see what this is, because this is beautiful. So we'll open it up. I am revealing the Perfect Matte and Radiant Skin. We have 3 products in here: the Perfect and Matte Effect Oil Control Face Wash, the 3-in-1 Miracle Vanishing Cream, and the Glowing Rice Scrub. So let's start with the 3-in-1 Miracle Vanishing Cream. We have 2 here. So the green one, very oily skin and normal to oily skin. And it says this is for all skin types. It's enriched with natural lemon extracts and vitamin C. So if you know what vitamin C does for your skin, and you know that this is like really good, and it ensures that you would have 12 hours of oil and shine control, instant matte skin. So the next one is the oil control face wash. So now this contains mattifying complex with natural lemon complex and vitamin C. So what this does is it cleanses your skin, controls oil and shine, and is gentle on the skin. Gentle on your skin. And the great thing about this is we have 2. So when this is done, I've got this. Then the last one is the Glowing Rice Scrub. I don't know why I'm excited about this one in particular, but I look forward to adding this to my skincare regime, which I think I have abandoned for too long. So we're going back into it, getting the skin looking matte, perfect, and hopefully NIVEA helps me out with this. The last thing that I want to say is I got a towel. And why am I excited about a towel? Because Ghana is too hot now, and I absolutely need something that is going to soak it all up. So thank you for this. Say goodbye to oily skin and hello to the Perfect and Matte